Oh my god, look who I have here with me.
What's up, y'all?
We're literally so hot because we've been looking for this tripod setup and it was behind the coffee table.
Stop playing with him.
facebyjdevinci in his bitch. Okay. I'm so bad I got him twerking with me in his bitch. Got him asking.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm facebyjdevinci and I'm here with my husband.
Y'all know who it is, Chief the OG.
As you guys know, we are nearing our last couple of weeks of pregnancy. I am huge. Let me stand up. You know what? We'll actually stand up when we do the unboxing. But today, tell them what
We got the Doona, y'all.
You're just too loud. That was not for a high five. That was to tell you you're too loud. Oh, he's so excited. Okay, so we got the Doona. We got it in the color nitro black. So today we're gonna just be doing an unboxing and a review. We already kind of like have an idea of what the Doona is like because our friends David and Nancy have the Doona. So
we ain't never unboxed it before.
We never unboxed it and had one of our own. So if you guys are interested in seeing our reactions and just, you know, how we feel about the Doona, then keep watching. All right, y'all. So right now we're about to unbox the Doona. He's so extra. Here. I don't want the box all bent.
Okay, let's go.
Oh, you put it somewhere.
Dun, 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 dun.
Turn them around, show them what you're doing. Ooh. My turn. Oh, make it. Ah!
Pete.
You guys, so this is the baby stroller. So what's cool about it, you know, the handle, it's got a button here, but it actually comes with a newborn insert, so you don't have to worry about buying the newborn insert to put your newborn in here, you know, to take him or her home. Well, yeah, y'all, it's so cute. I'm super excited about it. It's got a lock on it. You can lock it. Go. Lock. Oh, it's locked. Go. So how do we collapse it? Go like this. Put your foot in front. And then click the little button. And then now it's a car seat, so. I love it. What about you? You want to try?
There it is. Sure, gladly.
Show them what you look like with it. Because some people's, look at me. Some people's concern was like, oh, it's too short for my husband. And how do you feel about it?
Oh, I love it.
He says, oh, I love it.
This is, as you know, as easy as it gets. It's not supposed to be any harder than that. You know what I mean? It's at my waist. I don't want my hands way up here, out of frame. You know what I mean? And this thing on top, y'all, is breathable.
Ooh, in the circle. We're going in a circle. Yeah, really push it. Inside. Got a little book. Got the little baby. Aww. What is this? Oh, a vehicle seat protector. Comes with the vehicle seat protector.
Alright guys, so step one to installing Latch base is not in yet. I put it in. Basically, this is red and green and you want to make sure that the seat is level. So this here is red and green. And what we want to do is make sure that
I see it on this side.
White line shows up in the middle.
So how you do that?
So how we do that is by spinning this here. So we're going to spin this.
When you spin that, I will.
And it raises the back.
Oh, I see it moving. It's in the middle.
Okay. So now the next step is see right here, baby things right here. Put that in, and you make sure these are clipped up. Make sure that is clipped up. I'll put the right side on first. There we go. And then this other side. There we go. They said it's only supposed to move an inch. That's as tight as it goes. That's it, y'all.
What's up? So we hope y'all enjoyed our video.
Our unboxing and quick little review of the Doona. If you have any questions, comments, leave them in the comment sections. We're so excited. I'm so tired. What now?
Got the Doona.
We got the Doona.
Whoa.
Because I was talking big shit. I was like, it just makes things so easy. Like, traveling is gonna be easy, you know.
Everything.
I'm so hot. I'm so hot, yeah.
Thanks for watching. Baby coming soon. Subscribe!
This Louis got me feeling like a baddie. This Gucci got me feeling like a baddie.